Number 3. Canon EOS R8. There are many full-frame cameras out there, but the Canon EOS R8 stands out for its remarkable blend of affordability and performance. If you're looking to step up your photography or vlogging game, this compact mirrorless wonder is a fantastic choice. With its 24-megapixel CMOS sensor and DIGIC X image processor, the R8 delivers amazing image quality, whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or fast-moving subjects. What makes the Canon EOS R8 even more impressive is its autofocus system. Dual-pixel CMOS AF2 covers nearly 100% of the frame, with 1053 AF zones. Using deep learning tech, this camera can now detect subjects like people, animals, cars, and even planes and horses. So no matter what you're shooting, it's going to lock in focus like a pro. For content creators and videographers, the uncropped 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, oversampled from 6K, ensures your footage is razor sharp. Add to that, full HD recording at 180 frames per second for those slow-motion masterpieces. The vari-angle touchscreen and OLED electronic viewfinder are handy for flexible shooting, while the 2-hour recording limit is perfect for long video sessions or streaming. If you want lightweight, power-packed creativity, the EOS R8 will soon become your go-to.